What if I told you there's a way to protect your income while still giving yourself a chance to make life-changing money? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt stuck choosing between safe, low-yield investments and risky, high-growth ones? What if you didn't have to choose? What if you could design a portfolio that gives you both stability and explosive growth potential? What if I told you there's a way to protect your income while still giving yourself a chance to make life-changing money? A strategy that doesn't rely on guessing the market, doesn't require you to be rich, and works even if you're young, broke, or just starting out. Today, we're breaking down an investment strategy that does exactly that. It's used by Nobel laureates, famous investors like Tim Ferriss, and major banks. It's called the Barbell Income Strategy. By the end of this video, you'll understand what the Barbell Income Strategy really is, why it works better than average thinking, how to use it to build financial growth, plus money-making opportunities, and how young people can apply it starting today. Let's get into it. First, let's visualize the strategy. Picture a weightlifter's barbell. What does it have? All the weight is on the two extreme ends with nothing in the middle. That's the perfect metaphor for this approach. Instead of spreading your money evenly across low, medium, and high-risk assets, you concentrated on the two extremes. The philosophy is simple. You dedicate a large portion of your portfolio to ultra-safe assets to protect your capital. Think treasury bonds, cash, or high-grade fixed deposits. Then, you take a small portion and allocate it to highly speculative, high-potential assets. This could be venture capital, cryptocurrencies, or aggressive growth stocks. The goal: the safe end ensures you never face financial ruin. The risky end gives you a lottery ticket to life-changing returns. As investor Nassim Taleb puts it, this structure domesticates uncertainty. The Barbell Income Strategy is a financial approach where you split your income and effort into two extremes instead of staying in the risky middle. Imagine a barbell at the gym. On one side you have heavy weights, on the other side you have heavy weights, but in the middle there's almost nothing. That's exactly how this strategy works. The two sides of the barbell: side one, safety and stability. This is your secure income. Stable job, reliable business, low-risk investments, emergency savings. Its job is simple: protect you from failure. Side 2, high upside opportunities. This is where growth happens. Businesses, side hustles, content creation, startups, high-growth skills, speculative investments. Its job: create massive upside if things go well. And the most important rule: avoid the middle. The middle is where people take medium risk, medium effort, medium returns, and end up with nothing special. Most people follow what I call the middle income trap. They put all their energy into one job, take small risks without protection, chase trends without skills, invest without understanding downside. They are not safe enough to be secure and not bold enough to win big. That's why one job loss ruins their life, one bad investment wipes them out, one emergency pushes them into debt. The barbell strategy eliminates this problem. Instead of hoping for balance, you build extremes. Extreme safety, extreme opportunity. Key takeaway: the barbell avoids the mediocre middle ground, aiming for both maximum safety and maximum growth potential. Why this strategy is perfect for young people. If you're young, this strategy is unfairly powerful. Why? 1. You have time. 2. You can afford small failures. 3. Skills compound faster than money. 4. Digital opportunities are global instead of gambling everything. Protect your basic needs. Take bold, calculated shots. This removes fear. When your rent, food, and bills are covered, you think better. You take smarter risks. You stay consistent. Let's look at a simple example. Meet Daniel, 23 years old, safe side, works a stable job, saves 20% monthly, keeps an emergency fund risk side, learns copywriting online, starts posting on Twitter and LinkedIn, takes freelance clients, later builds a digital product. If the business fails, Daniel still eats. If it succeeds, Daniel changes his life. That's the barbell strategy in action. How to build your own barbell income. Here's how you can start today. 1. Secure your base. Any legal income is okay. Reduce unnecessary expenses. 2. Choose one high upside skill. Writing, design, video editing, coding, sales. 3. Limit risk. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Use time and skills instead of debt. 4. Stay consistent. Growth takes time. Now, the barbell isn't a one-size-fits-all formula. Let's look at 3 specific ways it's applied in the real world. This is the original version, popular in bond investing. Here, the 2 ends of the barbell are maturity dates. The short end, you buy short-term bonds. These are less sensitive to interest rate changes and give you cash that matures frequently, ready to reinvest. The long end, you buy long-term bonds. These typically offer higher yields to compensate for the risk of holding them. You skip intermediate-term bonds altogether. Why do this? It's a tactical play on interest rates. When short-term bonds mature, you can reinvest at new, potentially higher rates. The long-term bonds lock in yield. This strategy tends to shine when the yield curve is flattening. But beware, it can underperform when the yield curve is steepening. This is the philosophical big-picture version, popularized by author Nassim Taleb and followed by entrepreneur Tim Ferriss. It's less about bonds and more about risk exposure. Safe end. Park the vast majority of your wealth in the safest possible assets. Treasury bills, cash, gold. This part is your financial fortress. Its job isn't to get rich. Its job is to never ever go down. Risky end. Take a small fraction and invest in highly asymmetric, high-risk opportunities. Think early-stage startups, angel investing, or volatile options. Here, you're not just seeking good returns. You're hunting for positive black swans, rare, unpredictable events that lead to massive upside. Tim Ferriss famously used this approach, investing a relatively small amount in startups like Uber, Facebook, and Shopify, which grew to become a huge portion of his net worth. The mindset is key. You must be mentally prepared to lose the entire risky portion. It's the price for a chance at exponential growth. This is a very actionable model for building a modern stock portfolio, advocated by institutions like DBS Bank. It balances 2 core objectives. The growth end, allocate capital to high-conviction, high-growth trends. DBS calls these IDEA companies, innovators, disruptors, enablers, and adapters. This could be a basket of tech stocks or a growth-focused ETF. The income end, balance that volatility with assets that generate steady cash flow. This includes dividend-paying blue-chip stocks, real estate investment trusts, and high-quality corporate bonds. The result? You aim to capture runaway trends on one side while getting paid steady dividends on the other, creating a natural hedge. So how can you actually build one? You don't need to be a pro. For the growth and income barbell, you can use exchange-traded fund. Your growth end could be a tech or innovation ETF. Your income end could be a dividend ETF or a bond ETF. A 50-50 or 60-40 split between these 2 ETFs creates an instant barbell portfolio. But before you run off, you must understand the trade-offs and risks. Interest rate risk. Especially for the fixed income barbell, rising rates can crush the value of your long-term bonds. Opportunity cost. By avoiding the middle, you might miss out on the solid, reliable returns that intermediate-term bonds or balanced funds can offer over time. The risky end can go to 0. Your speculative 10 to 20% is exactly that, speculative. You must be comfortable with the potential total loss. It requires active management. This isn't a set and forget strategy. You need to reinvest maturing short-term bonds and rebalance your allocations periodically. The barbell strategy is a mindset of extreme diversification by risk, not by asset class. Whether you're a bond investor, a follower of Taleb's philosophy, or just building a robust stock portfolio, the principle is the same. Separate your capital for protection from your capital for asymmetric growth. Core idea, allocate to extreme safety and high growth, avoid the middle. 3 types, short and long-term bonds, cash and black swan bets, growth stocks and income assets. Best for investors who want to limit catastrophic downside while keeping a shot at extraordinary upside. This is a powerful framework, but it's not for everyone. It requires discipline and a clear understanding of your own risk tolerance. Do your own research or consult with a financial advisor. If this video helped you understand the barbell strategy, give it a thumbs up. Which of the three approaches resonates most with you? Let me know in the comments below. And subscribe for more simple breakdowns of complex financial strategies. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.